Good day, everyone. This is Mark Spindler, instructor for the Key Workplace Essential Skills training program, and we are now doing video 2 in a series of 4 about warehousing from home. In this video, we will take a look at using scanners to pick orders, issuing a sales order from a warehouse management system, and 3, using the actual physical inventory that we have created to pick an order inside of our home. So let's get started. So on your scanner, the first thing that you will do is to select the pick function. Once you have selected the pick function, you will click the yellow scan button to scan the sales order that you have. And once you have scanned that, you can either press enter or press that box with the arrow to enter that order. Okay, so now that we are inside of sales order 001, it tells us right here. Now the first thing that you want to do is to look at the part, then walk to the location. So for the GRV 774, we are going to walk to location B01. So let's go over here. That's rack A. Then we have rack B. Okay, and we open that up, rack B01. And now we want to look and make sure that this product matches our description. So that's a great value. Yeah, that's great value. Plastic forks, transparent, 48. So that seems to be matching, and we have one. So now we would enter that quantity into our scanner. But first we would scan the barcode. Okay, so let's simulate scanning the barcode here. So, okay, I scanned it, beep, and it appears, and now I can click on the pick truck or I can click the enter button. Okay, so now that I am inside of here, I verified that the quantity is correct, and then I can click that picking truck at the bottom there. Okay, and then you'll get a message at the bottom saying that that item, the GRV 774, was correctly picked. Now we will go to the next location, A05. Okay, here we go, column A, rack A, and we found A005. And now it says pick 4 of these COLs. These are the soap bar, COL Irish Spring soap bar. So what do you do first? You scan. Okay, so let's simulate that. So you put the barcode in front of the scanner, then you press the scan button. Okay, right, and then you click the enter button to open that up, and now you can type in the quantity. We want a quantity of 4, so we type that in. And now in this case, it's saying that we need to put in a serial number. So a serial number is a unique number that each product has. So if your product has this requirement, you have to scan and add each one before you can pick it. So on the scanner, you would first scan the serial number, so beep, okay, and then you would press enter or the plus sign to add it, and you can see it's counting here. It was 0 before, now it's 1. Okay, that one's done. I put this into my bin, okay, and I go on to the next one. I take that, I find the serial number, right, and I scan it, and you see that now it says 82. I press enter, okay, and that I see that there are 2 there, 2 of 4. I put that into my bin. I grab the next one, and I am scanning the serial number, not the UPC. Okay, so I scan it, and that's a unique, that's a new number. I press enter. Okay, 3 of 4. I have one more to do. Scan, beep, press enter on the keypad. Okay, done. Now we can scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and yes, it's going to shipping. That's what a pick is, taking from an inventory location and moving it to shipping, and you press enter or that pick icon. All right, great. So at the bottom of the screen, it says the COL 170s have been picked, right? The Irish Spring soap bar. And so now the next one that we need to pick is the STD.310 in location A2. So with our large tote, this is oversized, we are going to head over to location A02 and we will verify, we will check those out. Okay, so now that we go here, let's see, it's a pen, studio pen. All right, and I believe it's a 3-pack. So now, or a 4-pack. Okay, so we have them there. There's the barcode, and well, actually there's no barcode on it, but let's just pretend there is a barcode. So, so you would, the next thing you would do is you'd press the scan button, beep, right? And then that number would come up, and then you would click on that hand truck or on the enter button. Okay, and now, yes, do we have 3 of them? We have 3 packs of 4. These are 4 packs, and we have 3 bags. Okay, so then we would enter the quantity 3. We would put this into our tote. Okay, and then we would click the hand truck button. Now it says sales order 001 successfully picked. So there we go. That's how you do that on the scanners. That's how you pick a sales order. But before you can pick an order, you need to issue that order from the sales order page within your warehouse management system. So let's type in sales order 002. Oops, I need to click on the correct cell. That way we can track this order. Okay, and let's say Staples store number 1234. They made a request for us to send them some products. So we'll send that to them. Let's put in today's date. All right, great. Okay, and now that we have started this, the status can be draft. And excuse me, it is very important that you pick the correct group location. I have no products inside of the main group location, which means I won't be able to pick anything from there. So everything that I have is inside of the warehouse group location. So I need to click that before I can do anything. Okay, so now the next thing that we'll do is we'll check our inventory, and we'll see if we have all of the products that this staple store needs. All right, so this staple store requested some STD008, some transparent tape. We have 3, and we are going to send them 3. They also requested some STD210s, which are over here, which are some studio binder clips. We have 1, so we are going to send them all of those, just that 1. They also needed some STD310s, which are the pens that we looked at. So they need 3 of those. So we will send them all of those. They need some scissors. We'll send 2 of them. They also need some highlighters. So we'll send 2 of the ACT 500s. Okay, so now that I have all of those, we will go to the sales order and we will start inputting that information. So what was that first product? The STD008. And I said we had 3 on hand. Okay, and we will send those 3. Oh, but I need to make sure I send it from the correct location, or else we will have a problem. So let me go back and check that. All right, I have verified the location for the transparent tape. It is in B03, so let's select that. The next item was the STD 210, I believe. Okay, and that, the binder clips, that was in location B03 as well. And we only had 1 of those that we could send. We need to order more. Okay, the next one is the STD 310s, the pens, and those were in A02, and we are sending them, we're sending them 3 bags of those. Okay, and then we have the WST080. Okay, And those are the scissors, assorted colors. We will send them 2 of them. They are in A03 as well. We'll send them 2. Okay, and the last one, the highlighters. So as you are doing this, the information is being collected, and when you click issue, there will be a pick sheet with all of this information copied and pasted there. So that's the beautiful thing about this warehouse management system, is that everything works together, works in sync. Okay, so that is ready. I'm happy, so I will change the status to issued. All right, so now we are ready to pick these orders. All right, so now we are inside of the pick sheet, and all of that information was copied over. It's sales order 002. There's the store, Staples 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. There's the address and the status. So we have all of these items to pick, and we have the locations listed for us, which is great. And here it says discrepancy. That means something is wrong. The numbers are wrong. So this will disappear once the quantity of products picked matches the quantity of products ordered. So let's go to our first location. Let's find the transparent tape in the B03 location. We'll take our oversized tote here. Okay, so in B03, we want transparent tape, and it says that we're picking 3 of them, okay? So I have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, perfect, right? That's the transparent tape. Okay, and now we're going to enter the quantity of 3 for those. And if we enter that, we're going to see that it says picked and the discrepancy word disappears. Okay, the next one is the binder clips in the same location, B03. We need to pick 1. So we're in B03, we find the binder clips. Yep, that matches the description. I'm going to type in 1 there. Okay, and now that's going to say picked. Great. Put that into the tote. Let's go to the next location for the next item. A02, we have the studio pens, and we need 3 of those. All right, so let's go to A02 and grab 1, 2, 3. If you had a scanner, you would scan them. I don't need to. I don't have barcodes. So I'll just type in 3 and enter. It says picked. Perfect. Let's go on to the West Coast scissors in Westcott scissors in A03. Okay, A03. We have, how many are we picking? It says 2. 1 and 2. I have the 2 there. Okay, see, there are the scissors. Put that into the tote. Typed in the quantity 2. And go on to the next one. Now it says in the same location we need 2 highlighters. So we have 2 highlighters here, right, in separate packaging. Toss that in and type in 2. And now we are done the pick. So that completes video 2 in a series of 4. So please take a look at video number 3, where we will talk about packing, which is very important. And thank you so much for watching. Give us a call or email us if you're interested, and have a good day.